Welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook edamame. For us, edamame is often eaten as a snack to go with a drink. Especially during the hot Japanese summer, cold beer with edamame is a very popular combination. Alright, so let's get started! Edamame is immature green soybeans. You can find fresh edamame in early summer as they need to be picked before the soybeans fully mature. First, I'm going to wash my edamame and cut both tips of the pods off. This is to cook all the way through my beans inside the pods. Then take a handful of salt and over the edamame. Rub the pods with salt to remove fine hairs on edamame. Prepare a large amount of boiling water in a pot. Then add the salted edamame into the boiling water. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes, depending on the size of your beans. Drain the edamame and sprinkle additional salt while they are still hot. I will fan the edamame to keep the nice green color. The edamame is complete now. Now it's ready to eat. Take one of the pods, just bite the pod to squeeze the beans out. You don't eat entire pod, just the inside. When you bite the pods, you can taste the additional salt on the pods, which makes the edamame really delicious. In Japan, we eat edamame as an appetizer to go with a drink, especially with a cold beer. How do you enjoy your edamame? Please share your ideas by leaving some comments. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!